If you want to level up or learn something new in 2024, one of the best platforms you can use is Skillshare. Skillshare is a learning platform that offers a wide range of courses and tutorials across various creative and practical disciplines. It has gained popularity over the years for its approach to accessible and affordable education, particularly for individuals interested in honing their skills in graphic design, cooking, productivity, filmmaking, content creation, UI, UX design, marketing, crafts, music, social media, entrepreneurship. The list goes on and on. So it's particularly fantastic for people that are in a creative role or looking to be in a creative role and producing YouTube videos or graphic design. Think of it as a premium YouTube where there's a deep dive into lessons in sequential order. So you don't get that on YouTube. YouTube is, of course, fantastic for learning various different things. But what I love about this platform is it goes in deep dive. So there's like 4-hour, 5-hour courses on the platform. And you will find people on the platform like Ali Abdal, Thomas Frank, MKBHD, Marcus Brownlee, these massive YouTubers. There's Lily Singh, Social Media Pro, and industry professionals as well, like Kate Silver, who's a graphic designer and Adobe instructor. The annual subscription is $160 and about $20 a month, and in the UK it's about £99 and £15 a month. If you use my referral link, however, I've added this in the description, you'll get 1 month free and then 40% off your first month. So go check that out. When starting off a fresh topic, something I'm not very familiar with and want to get a grounding in that topic, I'll start with Skillshare and YouTube and also just Googling stuff. But Skillshare is one of those first platforms that I go to really quickly level up my skills. So one of my favorite courses on the platform is the YouTube for Beginners course by Ali Abdal. That's about four hours long, and I wasn't expecting it to be that good. So Ali goes through the full process from scripting, thinking of that idea, through to setting up the camera and lighting, and he went through quite a lot of detail that I did not expect. So there's quite a few other instructors and teachers on the platform as well that has the same level of quality. But I think a lot of the subscriptions on the platform that have come through could be owed to Ali Abdal's courses. So he's got about 5 different courses on there. The other ones that I've been learning is ChatGPT as well. There's some Gen AI courses on there, and ones around prompt engineering. So they've been quite useful. Again, good foundational level. And then there's some that go into more advanced areas and topics. One of the other ones that I've absolutely loved is Kate Silver's course. There's a podcast beginner's guide. So the production quality was really high in this one, and she is a industry professional. She's got experience to back that up, and she's running her own things as well. So that's a really good one. So why is the platform good? It's super easy to dive into a topic. I love the interface of the platform. It's really easy to navigate. There's this less friction to get started, to learn as well. And it's fun to do. The navigation system is fantastic as well. So those are real plus points. Some of the strengths of the platform, I would say. And you can, as mentioned earlier, you can build up a quite good level of competency and knowledge really fast. So there's like some weekends, I'll spend 2-3 hours, and I'm guilty of pressing the 1.25 or 1.5 times speed on some of the topics, and I can cover up quite a lot and start implementing it in my work, in volunteering, other aspects of my life. So the speed, ease of use is really great. What are the bad things? So there's no accreditation if that's something that you're interested in, like other platforms like LinkedIn Learning. For me personally, I'm not that bothered, to be honest. I just want to learn the skill, start implementing. The quality of the instructors can be hit and miss. So there's one person, I'll not name, was running a podcast series, how to set up your podcast, and their delivery was actually quite terrible. Wasn't engaging. Some of the content was not on point. So there's a bit of a spectrum on the quality of the platform. I'd say compared to like LinkedIn Learning, which I use, and then there's other ones that are popping up very quickly, such as Masterclass and BBC Maestro. They've got celebrities and people that are really accomplished in their area of expertise coming up. So it's no way gonna compete on that level. So some of them you got to be careful on which ones you go for. So there's a bit of a quality issue with some of them. And the performance of the platform I've noticed it sometimes can be a bit slow. Now in this era of everything being super fast, it's just a few seconds a notice on the loading, and the app equivalent sometimes it tends to crash as well. I found, at least for me, I'm using an iPhone 12 mini, so it's quite a few years old, but still it's a good phone, and I expect it to be quite good, and especially comparing some of the other platforms with YouTube and BBC Maestro and LinkedIn Learning, they seem to be a lot more stable. So it's a small little annoyance. So there's not much really on the technical side of things that I can really criticize. So is it worth it? I think it is. It's not too expensive, especially if you get the annual subscription, and even going through one, two, or three of the courses. I think that pays for itself. There are some excellent courses on there, so I think it is well worth the investment. And I've got a subscription for quite a few different platforms out there, and for me, investing in your skills education is some of the best investment that you can make in yourself. You can get 10 times more return where if you've leveled up and learned a new skill, and then suddenly either you're leveled up in your work or you're doing a creative project, delivering something for a client, freelance, etc. That skill would have allowed you to get a return on investment of, who knows, 10x, 20x, 100x over the long term. So I think it's well worth it. Let me know in the comments if you use this platform already, or there's other ones that you use. There's loads of ones that I haven't mentioned, like Coursera, Udemy, edX. So there's a lot of online material out there. And don't forget, if you use my referral link in the description, you'll get your first month for free as a trial, and then the first payment that you make, you'll get 40% off. Go have a try. Make your own opinion on it and judgment, and come back and let me know how you found it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.